the main checkpoint between Sevastopol and Simferopol, the two biggest cities in Crimea, and we've come here to meet the Serbian volunteers because this is where they're going to be doing whatever it is they came here to do. And it turns out the guy standing next to the guy who I interviewed was a member of something called the Serbian Liberation Army, which was a paramilitary organization. But the other thing that he's known for is having been accused of attempting to kill the president of Serbia, Slobodan Milosevic, but those charges were later dropped. I read on the internet about you guys after we talked.
Okay.
And were you part of the Serbian Liberation Army? I saw it on the internet.
Not true.
It's not true?
Yeah. What Serbian Liberation Army?
I don't know.
With 16 years I've been in Republika Srpska fight, United Integration, I've been in Kosovo 2 years.
But never in something like the Serbia Liberation Army or something like that.
That not exist.
Because your friend, it said that he was accused of attempting to assassinate Slobodan Milosevic.
The couple men made something like that, and when he be on Kosovo, they just iskoristili su tu situaciju kada je on bio na Kosovo and put his picture on newspapers. They say that they want to kill Milosevic, that they want to kill General Pavkovic, and he don't know nothing about that. When he come from Kosovo and Metohija in Serbia, they just arrest him. Why?
Wow.
Understand?
Yeah. All right, very interesting. Well, how long are you staying here for?
We are on this place
in Crimea.
To referendum and more if it's necessary.
Understood.
If we be many days, we will make the next group to come.
All right. Well, good luck.
Oh,
thank you. Bye. Bunch of Serbian army veterans standing on a checkpoint in the middle of Crimea checking cars between Simferopol and Sevastopol. Couldn't make it up. Say again? Okay. Thanks. Bye. So it looks like something's up at an aviation radio base outside of Sevastopol, so we might just head back. We're just rushing over to a Ukrainian military base because we've heard that a group of Cossacks with Russian soldiers are attacking it, but we've also heard from some colleagues that it might be a trick because a Ukrainian journalist went over there and was beaten up really badly, and now he's on the way to the hospital. And we're heading over there, and we're not sure if we should go, but I think we're going to try to get as close as we can at a safe distance and see what's happening and see if we should investigate. We've come to a place that's very holy for Russians in Crimea. It's where the first leader of Russia, Prince Vladimir, accepted Christianity. We're here to meet with Serbian Chetniks who've come here from Serbia to support the Cossacks in defending Crimea from the West. And these guys are all military veterans of the Yugoslav wars, and they look pretty serious. Удостоверение?
Да.
Эй, все, мы уходим!
Я сказал, Shit.
Once we get across this water, we're going to be in mainland Ukraine, and the reason we're taking a train is because people who've been trying to cross the new Russian checkpoints between Crimea and the mainland have been stopped and arrested and taken down to the security services in Sevastopol. The train is the safest option right now. This is Chongar. This is where the Russians have put up their new checkpoint and defense. But we're going to go to the other side of it so that we can film it from the Ukrainian-controlled side because it's safer that way.